guys, it's Andrea Kira here. Welcome back to Relax My Cat. Your cat hops up beside you on a couch, nuzzling your hand in an attempt to get petted. Once he takes a seat, he sneezes 3 times in a row. After saying bless you to your little feline friend, you can't help but wonder what caused the sneezing. Although sneezing in cats isn't always a cause for alarm, it is important to monitor it and pay attention to any other symptoms that may be present. We know it can be stressful not knowing the cause of your cat's discomfort. Even though sneezing is not always tied to a serious health concern, you should be sure to understand what causes it and when you need to take your cat to the vet. So why is my cat sneezing? If your cat is sneezing, it may be difficult to pinpoint the cause. There are various reasons why your cats may be experiencing this symptom, including nose tickle, inflammation of nasal passages or sinuses, dust and dirt, exposure to strong smells like chemicals, small foreign objects, allergies, trauma or a blow to the nose. Might be anything. Not every sneeze is a cause for concern, but it's important to look for a pattern in the sneezing as well as other symptoms. When to take a sneezing cat to the vet? If one of these is the cause of your cat sneezing, other symptoms will become evident. These symptoms are your sign to head to the vet. Nasal discharge, especially if it's yellowish green or bloodied. Labored breathing, snoring or breathing through the mouth. Loss of appetite, fever, pawing at the face, tearing from the eye. Causes of sneezing in cats. When your cat is experiencing more than just a nose tickle, other health concerns may arise, including upper respiratory infections, which could be a cat version of the common cold. They can be viral, bacterial, or fungal. Chronic upper respiratory conditions. In some cases, cats have permanent damage to their nasal passages as well as their immune system. Most commonly, chronic rhinitis will be the cause of your frequent sneezing. How to treat cat sneezing. If your cat has more than a mild sneeze, you should seek treatment from the vet. Depending on what your vet determines to be the cause of the sneezing will dictate the treatment. Possible treatment include eye or nose drops, antiviral medications or antibiotics, rhinoscopy to better examine the structures within the nose, steroids, x-rays or advanced imaging of the nose, blood and urine tests to detect viruses and other infections, small biopsies from the nose. How to stop your cat from sneezing. If your cat's sneezing is not severe, the best way to stop your cat from sneezing is to take steps to prevent the irritation causing the sneeze. Make sure your cat is up to date with the vaccinations. Be aware of your scent in the house. Candles, air fresheners, scented laundry detergent, or cigarette smoke may be the cause. Check out the litter box. Some types of litters tend to keep more dust when being used and may be the source of irritation. Be careful when cleaning. It's important to keep your home clean, but it's also essential that you are careful with your disinfectant used around your cat's space. The chemicals and any fruit scents may cause discomfort. Just before you go, don't forget to tell us in the comment section how you get your cat to trust you, and also if you ever heard your cat sneezing, and we might shout out your comment in the next video. This week we have Nikki Sajev with a comment from Claire's Cat Grooming Basics Top 5 Care Tips video. Mine loves to be brushed. She eats, then comes over and taps me on the leg. Then, when I head to where her brush is kept, she cuts me off, literally running ahead of me. That's so cute. I wish it was the same with Kira. Every time I approach him with a brush, he runs for life. If you enjoyed today's video, please let us know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and if you're not already, please consider subscribing by clicking on the button in the middle of your screen. That's it from us today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.